Hi, this is Victor, the Director of Content with BlueDAG. Today we're going to see how we can manage grievances within the system. If you need to know how to create a grievance, you can check out one of our other videos on our page. So to start off, what we want to do is in the grievance that we want to manage, we have different options that we can choose from. We can choose grievance details in case we need to update any of this information here. We can go here and add communication logs. So if there's a phone call, email, or any type of communication that we want to track, we can click on this section and let the system load, add a new entry, give it a subject, timestamp, and then the note. Now, this section will keep a running log of these notes, and also some of the automated steps in the system will be tracked through here. These other sections we'll take a look at later on. So if we go back here to overview and we'll scroll over here to interview requester, mostly grievances will be worked through the status link here. So if we click on that, a pop-up window should appear for this current step. Here you'll see the current step we're in the workflow, who this is assigned to, and the due date for this step. Here, you can go ahead and click on this and modify the date, but these dates are set by the system automatically, but they can be adjusted. This gray bar here in every step, you can click on that and it will expand, giving you additional information about what is intended to be completed in this step. We can go ahead and fill in some of these fields, and the system will keep track of all the answers for later on reporting. When you're done, come down to the bottom and hit transition to move to the next logical step in the workflow, which in this case would be one of these. We can go ahead and select the appropriate letter to send and hit transition. If we need to skip around in the workflow, we can click here on current step and jump around in the workflow. Once we select the new step, we click save rather than transition. Also, the next step has a due date here that we can adjust. Evaluations and Findings tab will display any findings or evaluation that we associate to this grievance. Same thing with projects. In Miscellaneous, you'll just see some of the information that you've input for certain steps. Photos, you can always click on that and upload photos that are relevant to this grievance. Same thing with documents. And the great thing is the system always keeps a running log of any saved action within the system. So you can always keep track of who did what time, and date. Couple other things, we can go ahead and view the grievance location here using the Google Map interface. We can add other grievances. We can also delete the grievance, change statuses. Again, anything you need to know about the grievances, you can basically do it from this page. Thanks for watching.